Passive business intelligence is inherently inefficient. On the other hand, active business intelligence is efficient. It creates an action. As part of your digital transformation, you can replace your manual processes with Paradigm BI components. Paradigm BI can deliver active business intelligence right now in your Power BI platform. Here's a demonstration of a couple of components. The task component. It will submit a task for that selected product. There's also a page rating component. You can rate whether you like the page, whether you've seen the page, it'll know who you are. Get in touch if you want to know more.